You may think Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin were the first humans to step on the moon. Well, you'd be wrong. It was Georges Méliès and the actors on the screen, in the film A Trip to the Moon, at least in the world of cinema. In 1902, a French filmmaker named Georges Méliès released a groundbreaking film that would change the course of cinema forever. Le Voyage dans la Lune, also known as A Trip to the Moon, was a silent science fiction film that captivated audiences with its imaginative story, special effects, and fantastical imagery. The film tells the story of a group of astronomers who build a rocket and travel to the moon. The audiences were transported to otherworldly experiences that they had never seen before. It was a commercial and critical success upon its release. A Trip to the Moon, known for its imaginative and fantastical special effects, which were created using a combination of early filmmaking techniques, such as stop-motion animation, double exposure, and pyrotechnics. Méliès' use of special effects and imaginative storytelling techniques in A Trip to the Moon were groundbreaking, and inspired many other filmmakers to experiment with similar techniques in the years that followed. One of the most iconic scenes in the film was a shot of the rocket landing in the eye of the man in the moon. This image has become a cultural icon and has been referenced in numerous films, TV shows, and other media over the years. Before his filmmaking career, Georges Méliès was a professional magician and manager-director of the theatre Robert Houdin. When the first genuine movies, made by the Lumière brothers, were shown in Paris in 1895, Méliès was among the spectators. The films were scenes from real life, having the novelty of motion, but Méliès saw at once their further possibilities. With a magician's intuition, he discovered and exploited the basic camera tricks: stop motion, slow motion, dissolve, fade out, superimposition, and double exposure. From 1899 to 1912, Méliès made more than 400 films. He also filmed studio reconstructions of news events as an early kind of newsreel. The commercial growth of the industry forced him out of business in 1913, and he died in poverty. Today, A Trip to the Moon is considered a landmark in the history of cinema, and it is often cited as one of the first true science fiction films. Its influence can be seen in many areas of the entertainment industry, and it continues to inspire filmmakers and audiences alike, a century after its release.